everybody, welcome back to my channel. My channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As you notice, I am still in my same sweatshirt as the previous video. I'm doing a couple unboxings today. So if you guys see the same shirt, it is the same day. But I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing okay. I'm just a frazzled mess today. But if you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So before we get started with today's unboxing, my last unboxing with BoxyCharm, I got this little mascara and I had no idea how to use it. But then I figured it out. After I filmed it, I played around with it and I'm so dumb. This little thing, my hand is stained from the lipstick that I used in that video also. But the little plastic thing on the bottom is actually a little roller. And all you do is you roll it onto your skin, or, well, be your eye, and it makes a very, very fine line. So that is super cool. So you just roll it right onto your eye, and it is very precise. So I just wanted to give you that update that I did figure out how to use this little guy. So with that being said, today we have another unbagging, of course. Today I have my YAS. YAS. I can't remember the price of it, but I will leave everything down in the description below, along with the link. So if you guys want to check out their website, you can do so. It is not an affiliate link. I do have an affiliate link with them, but the one that I leave below will not be the affiliate link. So this says, every time I see this word, I think of fragile. I don't know if you guys seen A Christmas Story, the movie, but every time I see the word fragile, I think of when they're opening up the big box that has a leg lamp in it. I think of fragile. So this is fragile, and let's get into this bag and see what we got. So we will just rip the tape. They tape these things so good. Oh, actually, nope. There we go. Nope. I've almost got it. Okie dokie. So the first thing I pull out is the card, and it is Believe in Unicorns. I absolutely love unicorns. So here's the little card. I think it is super, super cute. And then it tells us everything that is in the bag and the price of it. So we will go through that as we go through the bag. So the first thing I'm pulling out is some makeup brushes. These are Aesthetica Pro Series 3-piece eye and brow brush. This is $45. I do believe we have gotten these before in a box. I'm not going to open these because I do believe I'm going to put these in my giveaway. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a big giveaway. So these little guys will be included in the giveaway since I already got them. I think we got them in a BoxyCharm. So here are the little brushes. There's an angled brush, a precision eyeliner brush, and then a spoolie brush. So I will not unwrap these, and these will be in my giveaway. The next thing I'm pulling out is, this is by Glow by Glory. It is a semi-matte liquid lipstick, and this retails for $18. And we'll have to see what the shade of it is. It says Made with Love. Alrighty, this is in the shade Honey Bun. So here's a little packaging for that. Looks like it dried out just a little bit in some areas, but I really do like the packaging. And this is, I do believe it is cruelty-free. Yes, it has the little bunny on the box of it. So it is cruelty-free. So we'll give this a swatch. It smells like cake. I think it smells like cake. And here it is. It is a little runny at first. But again, it's a fall color. I love fall colors. I love fall. So there is the shade right here on the back of my hand. It is super pretty. I will definitely be using this. The next thing I'm pulling out is this little guy. And this is Shella. This is a Naughty Nude Lipstick Pencil, and this retails for $20. And I'm also not going to be opening this either. I do have a shallow lip pencil, and I just don't grab for it very often. I don't grab for lip pencils too often, so this will also be included in the giveaway. It is just a deep red color, so I'm not going to open it. It still has a safety seal on it, and this will be in my giveaway. And the last thing we've got is by Naked Cosmetics. This is Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette, and this is $32. And I love this packaging. It is so holographic, it's shiny, everything that I love. So let's see if I can get into this guy. Oh, I have to slide it out. And the actual palette itself is still the same holographic. I love it. And then you open it up and it has your highlighting shades in it. It is super pretty. This is the pink one here on my finger, purple, and like another purple. Here are 3 of them, 3 out of the 6. That one didn't swatch very well. I didn't get much on. There we go. So there are 3 of them. And the next 3 is like a yellow, a blue, and like a lighter yellow. And here are those on my fingers. They are super pretty. I love highlighters, so I will definitely be using these guys. I actually have seen this palette on Instagram, and I really, really wanted it, but I didn't want to pay $32 for the palette. So I'm really glad that YAS put this in their box because I absolutely love it. And I think that is all. Yes, that is all that is in our YAS bag. So let me do, I don't have to do the math. They did the math for me. The total value of this bag is $119, as you can see at the bottom. So I've always really liked YAS. They send a palette every month, so that makes me really excited. But if you guys get YAS, please let me know what all of your thoughts and opinions are. And that is all that I have for this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.